everyone. I would like to welcome the parents, staffs, students, visitors, and guests to our graduation and awards night. This night will be a wonderful night for all of the students, and especially for me, because this night will be one of my most memorable nights. I know our parents are already excited to know the accomplishments of their children, and the students are already excited to receive their awards. But before all of that, let me render to you my farewell speech. I am thankful to God, the Lord Jesus Christ, for His grace and goodness towards me throughout all my years. I am also thankful to Him for giving me many people that had a great part in helping and guiding me in my life. And I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge those people. To our supervisor, Ma'am Nora, thank you for always being there, supportive and loving to us students. Thank you for throughout all my years in this school. I hope bless you more and give you more years to come. To our beloved monitors, Ma'am Juby Gabaloni, thank you for being kind and very helpful. To all our staffs, thank you for your help and for your encouraging devotionals every day. To my special friends, Israel Cajegas, Gishamerl Ruth Vitaliana, and to my other close friends, thank you for being there in my good and bad times. Thank you for your support and thank you for backing me up. I hope that our friendship will last. To my mother, Mrs. Sophia Bernales, thank you for being a loving mother. Thank you for all the things that you have done for our family, and especially for me. You are a wonderful mother. To our pastor, Pastor Danny Bernales, thank you for your support and encouragement, not only for being a pastor, but also for being a dad. Thank you for being the best dad. And lastly, to my fellow students, thank you for the years of friendship. I hope that God would bless you and you would be successful in your lives. As I end my speech, I thank God for giving me a wonderful school. I thank Him for giving me Anabaptist Christian Academy of teaching me not only solving academic problems, but also teaching us the spiritual aspects in our lives. So I hope that each and every one of us will do our best for the Lord in everything we do and in every place where God may lead us in our lives. Farewell, and may the Lord bless us